Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a very good feature inside VS Code, which is toggling full screen mode. So by default, whenever you work inside VS Code to actually program, you will see this menu. By default, this menu exists. It actually displays. And but inside full screen mode, let me show you first of all how to toggle this full screen mode. So there are two options by which you can do this. The first option is you open command palette by hitting the shortcut key, which is Control Shift P, and on Windows, and then here just typing here toggle full screen. So you will see this option will come, and the shortcut key for this is F11. So if you want the shortcut key, you can hit F11 key, or you can go to command palette. So these are the two ways by which you can toggle full screen. So as soon as I toggle this, you will see now this is actually the full screen mode. Inside full screen mode, you will see the menu items are not showing, they are hidden. So it is making sure that as much space of your coding editor is showing right here. And once again, if I want to disable it, there are two options. Again, you can open command palette and just again entering this, it will disable the full screen mode inside VS Code. Or now you can save time by hitting the shortcut key on Windows, which is F11. This will enter into the full screen mode. Again, if you press, it will disable it. So in this way you can toggle full screen mode inside VS Code. So I really use this mode because full screen mode actually hides all the unnecessary stuff, and just whenever you are coding inside VS Code you need to focus. So this full screen mode is a very good feature. Basically it hides all the unnecessary stuff, and you can hit the F11 key on Windows, and the full screen mode will depend differently on different operating systems. If you are working on a Mac, Linux or Windows, the full screen mode will be slightly different. But you will see it also hides these status bar where I can see my Windows icons if I am not inside the full screen mode. But if I again press F11, you will see all the bottom things are also hidden. So you are not seeing the unnecessary stuff, and also the menu item is also disabled. So in this way guys, you can enable full screen mode and toggle it by the shortcut key F11 on Windows. I also showed you the second way, which is command palette, just view toggle full screen. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.